This is our new 42-inch Sidewinder. We've adapted to the market demand for higher density fiber, which requires a larger diameter than previous Sidewinders or pulling capstans. So we've actually adapted our new 42-inch capstan to the Sidewinder. I'll go around the Sidewinder unit itself and talk about some of the features and benefits of the unit. So first and foremost, we have this operator station. The operator station is a nice distance from all moving components. It's out of the way of the pulling line or the capstan and the take-up reel. Some of the features of this operator station are the emergency shutoff. We have our throttle for controlling engine speed, the choke, and then the tension gauge. This unit is designed to pull up to 600 pounds of force. We have this tension valve which actually adjusts the hydraulic system for the tension in the puller, which can be monitored through this gauge. We have our forward and reverse of the capstan, and finally the lever to engage and disengage the take-up reel. Moving around the Sidewinder, this is the hydraulic fluid tank. The hydraulic fluid tank comes with a hydraulic fluid filter as well as a filter life cycle gauge. A unique feature of the Sidewinder in this entire hydraulic system is we use quick disconnect hoses. The benefit to these quick disconnect hoses is these can actually be used with any hydraulic accessory. They're standard fittings and can be used with accessories such as a dewatering pump. Here we have our new 42-inch capstan. The capstan is actually mounted to a pivot swivel motor. The benefit of this pivot swivel motor is this can actually rotate up to 30 degrees to optimize your pulling angle or for figure eighting the cable. Each Sidewinder is equipped with stabilizing legs and a removable bumper. The benefit to this is the legs not only drop, but they also extend out to increase the stability of the Sidewinder while pulling fiber. Let's pull the bumper off. As you can see, these legs extend an extra foot to give the Sidewinder more stability. Here we have our commercial grade Honda GX390 motor, which puts out 13 horsepower and actually has an electric start feature, which is incredibly convenient and easy to use. The electric start module is located just to the right side of the operator station and has a key start feature. This is actually a very unique feature for any type of pulling trailer on the market. This is called our take-up reel. The purpose of the take-up reel is actually to pull any pulling line off of the capstan after the pull. This take-up reel has a constant pulling force of 50 pounds, which is plenty enough force to pull the pulling line off underneath any type of fiber or extra pulling line on the capstan. And as the pulling line wraps around here and gets super tight, this unit is actually designed to separate and split into two halves for easy removal of any pulling line. Coming around in the tongue of the Sidewinder, we have the tow hitch. The tow hitch options come with either a lunette ring or a ball tow hitch. And then finally, we have the electrical system for the SideWinder. Each SideWinder comes standard with a 7-pole flat pin electrical adapter. We also have a 7-pole round pin adapter and 4-pole flat and round pin adapters. Some of the safety features of the SideWinder include the emergency shutoff switch, which is located just at the top of the operator station. We have the forward and reverse lever for the operation of the capstan. The benefit to this is actually that the operator has to hold it in either a reverse or forward position for the capstan to rotate. If the operator lets his hand off, the capstan stops and all motion of the SideWinder halts. One of the final safety features of the SideWinder is the shield that's mounted directly onto the capstan itself. The purpose of this is to prevent any limbs or foreign objects from passing through the capstan while in operation.